Okay, I'm going to show you two things today on Adobe Illustrator. One is how to scale an image and how to crop an image. So we're going to scale and we're going to crop, and it's really simple. So first, so we have our canvas right here. And we're going to place, if you don't know how to create an ad board or a canvas, you just go to new and you choose one, you give it a name and you click OK. There are other options, how many boards you need and all that stuff, but I'm assuming you already know that. So we have our artboard or our canvas. Now we go to File, go to Place. I'm going to choose this. It's a vector of two people. And I'm going to say OK. Now, so now it's huge. I'm at 241%. I'm going to change it to 100% to show you how big it is. So you got to scroll to see it. This is the size of my artboard just because it's no reason. I just have it that way. You can have it any size you want. Now if you want to scale it, you just right click on it, transform, scale. So now it's at 100%. You want to do it on a uniform. So I'm going to transform it to, let's say 20%, just a number, and there it is. So it fits inside my artboard. Again, your artboard could be any size. Mine just happened to be small.
20% is 0.2.
Okay, I'm talking, and my iPhone Siri thought I was talking to her, and told me what 20% was. That's crazy. Okay, that's kind of scary. Alright, so that's that. Now I'm going to cut the waist off. So we're going to crop the images. So here we go. We're going to click on the artwork, the image. And then up top here it says mask. Mask. Then you're simply going to take the arrow key right here, and then you're gonna hang on to one of the handles and move it up. You can even move these in if you want. And there you have it. They're cropped. I can make it bigger for you to see it. And they're cropped. Alright. That was simply enough. That was nice and short. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if this was helpful, just leave a comment, thumbs up. But please subscribe so you can see more of this. Thank you.